What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download the Google Play Store on your PC and laptop. To use the Google Play Store on your PC, you must use an Android emulator, such as BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a popular choice to download and use Android apps as it's best optimized for this purpose. Click on the first link in the description to access this page. From here, download the BlueStacks 5 setup installer for your system. This should take a second to complete, and you can follow the install wizard to install the application to your system. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks should open up automatically. Next, open the Play Store and you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Follow along with the prompts, and after you log in, you land on the Play Store homepage, from where you can start browsing and using Android apps on your PC or laptop via the Google Play Store. It works just like any other Android phone or tablet, and you can even download games, productivity apps, or anything else you'd normally use on a mobile device. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.